Today, a judge heard from both the DA's office and the attorney for Stephen McDaniel. They discussed whether it's appropriate for McDaniel's former employer to take the 25-year-old to trial for 2 counts of felony burglary for stealing from apartments at the Barristers Hall complex, the same residence where murdered Mercer Law grad Lauren Giddings once lived. 41 NBC's Brittany Gonzalez joins us from downtown Macon.
The judge called today's hearing a unique and rare motion. McDaniel worked for the district attorney's office for just a few months, but his attorney Floyd Buford says he built personal relationships there. 300 hours. That's about how much Stephen McDaniel worked for the DA's office. McDaniel prepared memos and worked closely with the juvenile court. And week after week, McDaniel showed up to his internship. That's where his attorney Floyd Buford says people in the DA's office got to know him.
This is not a frivolous motion that he has filed. He believes that he should in the interest of his client, and I have no objection to that. I understand that. Obviously, I disagree with the motion.
Buford says if the DA's office stays on this case, his client's Sixth Amendment rights to due process will be violated.
The problem, in my view, obviously, with that speculation is, one, it is speculation. There's no concrete evidence that that would happen. But two, where do you draw the line? Is if it was somebody that I grew up with, or one of my assistants grew up with, or somebody that one of my assistants went to church with. And do you just remove that one person? Or in this case, he's asking our entire office. Where do you draw that line?
McDaniel's parents were in court to show their support for their son, who's been in jail since July 1st. And McDaniel will stay there even longer until the judge makes his decision. Judge Tillman himself is expected to make a decision in this case early next week. District Attorney Greg Winter says if his office loses, he's not sure whether he'll file an appeal. McDaniel faces up to 40 years in prison for these felony charges. Police are also still considering him a person of interest in the murder of his neighbor, 27-year-old Lauren Giddings. Reporting in downtown Macon, I'm Brittany Gonzalez for 41 NBC News.